So the project today is on this truck. I want to add a toolbox right here between the hydraulic tank and the cab guard. You can see I've been throwing some like big 4-inch straps and piece of wood and stuff, but I want to add a box here so I can lock up the straps and maybe carry a few more. So let's get this measured and see what kind of box we need. Here, maybe 20 inches. Maybe 47 because of the heads of the bolts here. As far as height, you know, I don't really want to block the window, but it is kind of endless. I'll see what we can go find. All right, so this is what we come up with. Let me get my tape measure. It's really the only box that, I mean, you probably could special order something, but I think this box is gonna fit pretty good. Let's see what the measurement was on it again. So we're roughly about right at 20, so we're good there. We're 36 wide, so let's put it up there and kind of see what we got. Oh yeah, that'll work good. I like the placement. I wish it sat a little bit lower, and probably what I'm gonna end up doing is the brackets, bolt them instead of welding something, just bolt something across here, because if I ever have to get down here and work or do anything, I don't have to be trying to cut welds off. So let's see what we can figure out for brackets. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is put a piece of angle from here to the other side, and then take pieces of flat metal or maybe even angle again and just run it all the way across to this side to another piece of angle that I'm gonna have right here. I think that's gonna be the easiest option. I can just put bolts right here and then just a couple of bolts through the box into the angle going across. So let's go ahead and get those pieces cut. I need tape measure to stay. 17 and a half. mark there. Alrighty, so that should work good. It's a little bit higher than I wanted it, but you know, that'll leave clearance above this part. I may still slide boards once I get these straps out. With my chain, I can throw boards under here or whatever under the box, so I don't have to take up my box storage for it. So let me just duplicate what I did here on the other side, and then we'll get our cross members measured so we can set the box. Alrighty, so we got this shelf right here made, and this one here. So now let's just measure what we need to go from this side to the other, kind of make us like a little shelf, so we can support the box. So we need 44. Yeah, the torch isn't cutting too well. I'm out of oxygen. Like how it's cutting, I don't even know. Alright, so this is kind of the rough end for it, but Doesn't look too bad. It sits up a little higher, but still got plenty of view out the back window, so we can blindside back pretty easy, which we do a lot of in some of the areas we're in. As you can see, I got the back one already mounted. The front, I just had to mock it up, so I'm gonna go and drill those holes, get that bar secured, and then I'll mount probably one here, one here, one up here, and one up here to secure the box to the bracket. And the biggest reason we're bolting all this and not welding is that way if I have to work on anything underneath that, we'll have plenty of access to it. Well, you can see we got the angle here, the angle for cross that the toolbox will actually be mounted to. This is rigid, and I actually like this a lot because where I hang the chains at and the binders on each side, this thing was always, you put all the binders on this side or all the chains on that side, it would kind of bend those out because of the weight. So now they're kind of holding each other back in. So let's go ahead and put the box on.